Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Ackack. 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 Ackack is an onomatopoeic word used to describe the sharp, explosive sound produced by anti-aircraft artillery, typically during military operations. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The Ackack fire filled the night sky during the air raids over London in World War II. Why Ackack is used in example number 1. Ackack describes the distinct sound of anti-aircraft artillery during the historical context of World War II. Example number 2. Aviation enthusiasts can distinguish the Ackack sound from other aircraft noises. Why Ackack is used in example number 2. Ackack is used in the context of aviation history. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.